Ever wonder what happens when you get your ENet Fiber installed? Let's follow one of our expert technicians to find out.
Hi, I'm Teion, and today we are in Camerville connecting another home with super fast fiber. Let's go. First step is to prep the equipment and plan the best route to get the fiber straight to your home. Every install is unique, and we make sure it's done right. We run the fiber line carefully to keep things neat and out of the way. This step is crucial for a clean, reliable connection. We ensure everything is running smoothly, so now let's check the speed. You're all set. Welcome to ENet Fiber.